Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at our tech stocks, that is Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Netflix, Google and Amazon with S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So market is did I should say a bit of a pullback. We do have Apple quite red, and that has led at least Nasdaq being a bit red. S&P 500, this is Nasdaq. S&P 500 though is still green and is closed green, but also what we'll be talking about is the overall structure and how things have ultimately closed and what can we be expecting from here on moving forward, right? So we will start off with S&P 500 and then we'll make our way through other stocks. And also please note guys, none of this is any financial advice, it's only for education purposes. We are on S&P 500 still in the bullish structure over here, right? Now, as I said, as long as we continue to stay above 554 and 96 cents, structure will remain bullish on S&P 500. Pullbacks are still getting bought back up. We are not very far away from just breaking to the all-time highs, right? Now, what is the thing for that? Is that a possibility? Well, today's pullback, you can see, just got bought back up at one of the levels. Now, from here on, as long as we don't even lose 560 and 50 cents tomorrow, we should be fine. You are watching the break of the level of 563 and 18 cents for tomorrow for the next leg up. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval just to get more sense of the price action here. So we had a bit of a ride today, right? Up and down ride. So let's take a look at how did the structure pan out overall. So this is my tool. I have it on the active mode right now. We did have good upside first in the morning and then sell off as well. Then after that, it mostly remained choppy. There was this one good stretch as well of the continuation on the upside. This is an active mode though. And on the passive mode now, what's the difference? Well, if you're a member, you already know the difference and how to use these. But yeah, on passive mode allows you to build your position throughout the day or accordingly have a stop losses. And this was where passive mode really became active and continued its way up. So anyways, so it's a good price structure, guys, on S&P 500 today and tomorrow. As long as some more levels, if I want to give you like even 561 and 47 cents, even if we hold it tomorrow, we should be fine. If we get above 563 and 17 cents, that's definitely a breakout again. Well, the next leg up, that's the level on the upside you are watching. Let's take a look at QQQ. And QQQ is also full on right now bullish in the structure and also I talked about in the morning, as long as we hold above 467 and 89 cents, that will just constitute a pullback, and well, pullback just got bought back up above 20 and 50 days moving average. As for right now in the price action, I'm not seeing any strength or weakness. Tomorrow the levels to watch, well, if we can stay above, well, the moves tomorrow are above 473 and 78 cents for the upside. And however, if we again lose 472 and 40 cents, that can again at least intraday may bring some weakness. All right, so that's that. All right, let's go to the tech stocks now, and that is with Microsoft. So no surprise, pullbacks are still getting bought back up. We are in the bullish structure here, so no problem. And on the hourly interval as well, as I said, pullbacks just got bought back up. For tomorrow, this is the level to watch, that is 430 and 80 cents. Above this, we are still fine. Below this, intraday weakness may come. But as long as right now on Microsoft, we are not losing like 429 and 36 cents, I'm not too worried actually. Yeah, once we lose that, then more weakness can come. Then you're watching 426 and 78 cents area. All right. Apple. So let's go to the daily interval, and Apple is the one that sold off today, right? We are very negative on this. Unfortunately, this zone as it was holding, unfortunately losing this zone is what has created the problem, because we have lost the level. Now if we continue to stay below 217, it's just a downside. The only confirmation again intraday also upside would only come, even though that will just be a rebound. You can see how bearish and bearish we are in the dashboard as well. 217 and 6 cents above is only some upside can continue. That will though constitute a rebound. And usually these important levels, guys, they usually break, these important areas usually break in the pre-market. You can see Apple selling off in the pre-market, right? And once, because they break these important levels just during the pre-market, so that when the market opens, there is less likelihood for the technical traders to take it higher. So there was a level break. You can see that level was retested but got sold off. So tomorrow, if the rebound has to come, we have to first get above this $217 range. Then only some rebound can continue, otherwise no. And Apple shares tumble after analyst sees subdued first weekend orders for new iPhone 16 series. So said demand for latest iPhone model likely lagged forecasts during this its first weekend on the market. So it's yeah, it's then pounding over, technicals. Well, the thing is that technicals already broke. Once you saw in the pre-market these levels breaking, that was it, right? Like 220, that was the first level that broke. So Apple is right now weaker. Meta is going super strong. Pullbacks are getting bought back up. You can see structure still remains bullish on this thing. This was the level I provided you, 514. Above this, we'll just stay bullish. We are still bullish. This thing can stay bullish. There is no sign that I'm seeing on the downside. Hourly interval, oh, look at this thing. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, guys. Now, yeah, this is a good support level, 527. Above this, we are just bullish. Well, structure will remain bullish, right? So Netflix. Today, red candle did get bought back up. We do have still in the bullish structure and it's still in an uptrend. On Netflix, if someone really want to play bullish, oh sorry, bearish, you have to lose this blue box down here. Otherwise, no. This pullbacks are just getting bought back up, and level by level, you can see precisely above 20 days moving average. Also, we are getting bought back up. It's still bullish. Google. Well, or one more thing on Netflix is, let's go to the hourly interval. And what I actually want to talk about is, wait, just 1 second, guys. All right. Yeah, one thing I want to talk about here is this particularly tomorrow, for tomorrow. If we continue to resist at this level, like 697 and 42 cents, then either it's most likely going to stay choppy in my opinion, and you can try to find some rebound if it goes down like 689 and 95 cents. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, it's just technically though still in the bullish structure. Look for the pullbacks to be bought back up. Google. So going to the daily interval first, and Google is still holding above 200 days moving average, good sign. And it's also holding above 200 hours moving average as well. That's also a good sign. Google is looking still good. As long as we don't lose 155 and 91 cents now on this, we are fine. Amazon. So Amazon, let's go to the daily interval first, and here we are. It's not a problem right now. It's just a pullback though. We have this zone 180 to 182. Above this structure is still bullish on this thing. Today's sell-off is just a pullback so far, and it's still just getting bought back up. So not too worried right now. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I'm just seeing something here that yeah, no, it's still fine, guys. It's still fine. Okay, so yeah, just work with those levels, and yeah, so yeah, it's still fine. It's still just in the pullback zone. And taking a look at hourly interval on Amazon, and this would be, yeah, what you have to see is for the upside though, if this pullback from the daily interval, oh sorry, has to continue to turn upside, well, you can watch this trend line as well. Once we get above this trend line with 20 and 50 hours moving average, one of these, that's where Amazon will continue again up. So that's something you are watching on Amazon. If you resist this, that's a problem. Okay, just keep that in mind. But overall structure is still bullish for quite some time, in my opinion, until 182 and 40 cents at least. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.